Hi lovely people, it's me once more, Shirope, with a new video. So, what's wrong? I don't know why my cousin is laughing, I don't know. But, I'm still here. My grandpa burial was yesterday. And so, we have so many trees here, making the road so dirty and messy. That's why we want to collect these leaves and burn them. You can see how they look. This is not good. So I and my cousin want to collect every leaves here. You can see, and so many trees. We have so many, and this is not good. I think they are supposed to be cut or something, I don't know. So we are going to collect these leaves and burn them. Yeah. Oh my god, huh? I think we should start from there, coming down so that we can burn them over here. Yeah, so this is how our upcountry looks like, and we have so many trees, we have so many bananas out here and so many fruits, but they have not, it's not yet their season, so they haven't grown. But banana, we have so many bananas ripen and stuff. So let us do the work. We'll talk later. Yeah, I think you see, I even have a matchbox here. So after this, my hands looks like, I don't know, but it's fine, huh? Yeah, so guys, I will show you how, after collecting, how to our is it road, walking path, what is it? So you can see my cousin has already started, so let me at least help her, because this is a very long way. You can see from there coming like this, so she can't do it alone. So yeah, thank you. So guys, this is what I was saying. Yeah, at least to reduce them, it's better we burn them. Because even if we throw them, they'll still come back. So the best way to decompose them is either burning them or maybe burying them, but you can't do that, better burning them. So yeah. At least the way it's starting to look more beautiful and welcoming than before. So let's continue. There's so many, so we have to continue. We'll talk later.